How to add payment method on Temu. In order to add payment method on Temu, you need to follow these steps. First thing first, you want to open a Temu app and log into your account. So once you're logged into your Temu account, the interface will look something like this. Next, what you need is here, click on the initials or the use section from the bottom of the page, which is right in center. As you do it so, you'll be taken to your profile section. So click on the gear icon from the top right hand side corner and you want to simply go to your payment method. In my case, I have added none. So all I need to do is just click on add a credit or debit card. And underneath, you could also see that the card that is accepted in the Temu. You could read the instructions as well and tap on the add credit or debit card information. Now then, you simply want to select whether it's Visa, Mastercard, Amex, whatever it is, and then enter in the card credentials. That includes entering a card number, expiry date, the CVV code, and the billing address. Once done entering the following information, all you need is click on add your card. And with that being said, you'll have successfully added a payment method on Temu. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.